Hey everyone, I'm TJ with Enspi Technologies. Thanks a ton for spending some time with us today. We know you're super busy, so we are going to make this webinar short and sweet, high level, and we're here to share some practical, real world insights on how municipalities like yours can overcome one of the biggest hidden costs facing utilities today, outdated and inefficient systems. So whether you're managing electric grids, water systems, or wastewater plants, operational efficiency is becoming more and more critical every year. And it's not just for budgets, but it's for maintaining reliable service and keeping up with regulatory requirements. There is a ton going on in the world today. And we know that utilities are grappling with some really, really complex challenges. You require some turnkey solutions to help you achieve your goals. Today's session is all about helping you think differently, about how to modernize without the need for large and cumbersome projects. So without further ado, let's dive in. We're going to start by talking about the real challenges utilities are facing today. A lot of our municipal customers are still relying heavily on legacy infrastructure, systems that were built 20, 30, maybe even 40 years ago. And while these systems have had their time and glory, let's be honest, the reality is they're starting to show their age. And you've likely seen it firsthand if you have things like fragmented control systems that don't really talk to each other easily, maintenance processes that are reactive instead of proactive, or limited data access, meaning you often find out about issues after they've already caused a problem. All of this together contributes to an environment where operational downtime and emergency maintenance are constant risks. Here's a key stat. This probably isn't news to most people, but utilities operating with older systems experience up to 30% more operational downtime compared to utilities that have adopted a digital monitoring and predictive maintenance tool strategy. In the wastewater sector specifically, it's even more concerning. We know the wastewater process requires a lot of high-powered equipment, and it's super complex. A 2023 industry study found that nearly 40% of wastewater plant operators reported their biggest challenge is dealing with unplanned maintenance tied to outdated equipment. It leads to compliance risks, fines, and costly workarounds. And the financial toll adds up quick. Between emergency repairs, overtime labor costs, EPA reporting penalties, and energy inefficiencies, some municipalities are spending 20 to 30% more on operations than necessary, simply because their systems aren't optimized. At the end of the day, outdated systems aren't just an IT problem. They're a budget problem, a service reliability problem, and increasingly, a community trust problem. So how do you fix the problem without gutting your entire system and spending millions and millions of dollars? I'm sure we've all experienced software implementations that are time consuming and burdensome that at the end of the day didn't really show their value. That's where a smarter, more scalable approach comes in, and where technologies like digital twin and AI-based predictive analytics can really, really make a difference. Let's break it down in plain language. At Enspi, we have a product called GridGuard AI. It's a digital twin, basically a live virtual replica of your grid to mirror how your system operates day to day. It's not just a fancy 3D model, it's a working model that pulls real-time data from your existing infrastructure. Think about it like an Aura ring, but for utilities. You put the ring on your finger, and over time, you're looking at what's going on in your body on an app. It monitors and in turn replicates what's going on in your body's most important operating systems. In terms of utilities, this means that you can simulate thousands of what-if scenarios, like predicting the impact of a pump failure or transformer overload before anything happens in the real world. You can spot inefficiencies that would have otherwise gone unnoticed, like energy losses in certain load zones or early stage mechanical degradation. You can prioritize maintenance proactively, sending alerts when assets show early signs of trouble instead of wait for a failure. Our AI algorithms are designed specifically for municipal operations, meaning they're trained to recognize patterns in smaller utilities where resources are stretched thin. The result? Downtime reduction up to 30%. Major drops in reactive maintenance costs, and a shift from crisis mode to proactive planned operations. Most importantly, none of this requires you tearing out your existing SCADA control systems. GridGuard overlays what you already have, making it smarter and easy to manage. It's about augmentation, not replacement. Let's make this real with an example. One municipal electric company we worked with, serving about 50,000 residents, faced chronic problems, aging substations, manual outage tracking, no predictive maintenance in place, and rising customer complaints about reliability. They didn't have the budget for a full system overhaul, nor did they have the time or technical resources to undergo such a large project with so much risk. So we started with what they already had. We created a digital twin that integrated their SCADA data, historical maintenance logs, and real-time asset health monitoring. We ran predictive simulations and quickly identified a handful of critical assets that were likely to fail within the next 6 to 12 months, things they weren't catching with normal inspections. By proactively addressing these issues, outages dropped 40% within the first year. Operational costs dropped 20%, mainly from reduced emergency repairs and less overtime pay. Their maintenance team was able to work more efficiently, scheduling preventative work instead of scrambling to fix emergencies. And an unexpected bonus, because they had better data, they secured a state infrastructure grant that they hadn't previously qualified for, because they could now demonstrate quantifiably their operational improvements. That is the power of the smarter infrastructure management. So what could you do right now? Even a major tech investment, there are some smart first steps you can take today. Step one, do a rough audit of your downtime and maintenance events from the past 12 months. How often are you reacting to problems? How much does each event cost in labor, service disruptions, or customer trust? Step two, start gathering your data and cleaning it up. Even basic SCADA reports, meter readings, pump operation logs, and maintenance records can provide a wealth of insights once connected and analyzed. Step three, implement simple digital monitoring tools if you don't already have them. Even low-cost sensors or simple software integrations can close data gaps and get you started with a smarter, more connected system. And step four, when you're ready, reach out to a technology provider like Enspi, not for a hard sales pitch, but for a tailored simulation. We can show you exactly where your biggest operational gains could be based on your actual data, not guesses or generic assumptions. So let's wrap it up. Legacy systems are costing utilities more than many realize in dollars, in downtime, and in customer trust. Moving towards smarter, more connected systems doesn't have to mean massive investments or risky overhauls. Small, strategic steps like using your existing data better and running predictive simulations can deliver major results. If you're interested in exploring where your biggest opportunities are, visit us at enspi.io to schedule a free personalized operational efficiency audit. No pressure, just informed that you can make smarter decisions for your system and your community. Thanks for joining us today. We really appreciate your time.